Everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Today we're in a new community of Seaton. We're at 2404 Moonlight, and this is a detached double car garage home. We've got just over 2,200 square feet on the top and 950 square feet on the bottom. It's a walkout basement ravine lot. The bonus is we've got a fully finished 2-bedroom basement apartment. Why don't you guys go on in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
All right guys, now that you've seen this beautiful home, you guys have seen the awesome kitchen, you guys have seen the 4 bedrooms, the washrooms, you've toured around this amazing 2-bedroom basement apartment. There's only one thing left to do. You guys need to call me, okay? My contact information is gonna be on the screen. I would love to show you guys this home. And in the meantime, just remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.